is a short video on how to define products in the WooCommerce environment. So I've started a window on my MacBook Pro, which runs the latest operating system, which is El Capitan, and I'm using uh, uh, Chrome, Google Chrome, as the browser. Now I have two tabs running on the window, one which is the admin dashboard, and one to have a look at the pages that I'm working on separately. So what we want to do here is go to the WooCommerce tab, and there we can have that rather what we want to do is create a product, so we need to go to the products tab, and there I've already created a few test products. So for the purpose of this little video, we're going to have a look at one of these products, and one of them, let's say, is going to be the youth t-shirt, which we will going to go and edit. Now basically the environment is very similar to what you would have if you wanted to create or edit a post, or create it or edit a page. So that basically what you do is you create, here we've created youth t-shirts, and this is the window over here is to give a description of the product. Now this is a variable product, so what this means is that, which you can choose by with this list here. SKU is a sort of inventory number, or stock keeping unit. And basically what it means is that what we've done is that we've associated attributes, and one attribute is called King's sizes. Now if I expand that, I see that in the attributes I have 4 values, which are youth extra large, youth medium, and youth small. So here I've checked visible on the product page and checked also used for variations. What that means is that, okay, and certainly once you have done modifications, you save the attributes here. But what this means is that if we go to variations, what I did is created these variations that, in fact, those are created automatically. And one thing that we could do for a change here is choose a default size, and we're going to take the small as a default size. Now we see that there are 4 sub-products, if you will, that have been generated using the different attributes. And if I do expand, then what I have here is that for basically each variation, we have to select the price, select if it's in stock or out of stock, and give it shipping parameters such as weight dimensions, which is here given in inches. Shipping class, well, we don't have to bother for that right now. the variation description, let's say we put in as a change here for that variation, we're going to say this is for small youth t-shirts. So, and we have the same for all variations where we can have a description here. But what is important here is that if we do save changes, and also very important is that once you do that, you have to update the product. Now, what does that do? Well, if I go to the site itself here, now where I want to go is WooCommerce. Now, I have to enter the names here because those pages are not in the menu. So you can't reach it for now via the menu on top of the page. So if I go to and I look at youth t-shirts, this is the FAC shop. Now youth t-shirts, what I do, I click the select options, and I have a default, which is the small default size, small t-shirt. Okay, and I did enter a description, which is now showing up over here. Now, this is the general product description, which is in the, okay, no thanks, and which is this line here in the description. Now, obviously, you can write a whole lot of stuff here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let you decide what you want. So basically, this is a t-shirt that now we'll be able to add to cart. And as you see here, I already have a t-shirt. The one note here is that note that for me, the t-shirt is $16. This is because the price that it shows up in the cart is linked to my membership, and there's a 5% reduction when you're a member. So this is calculated automatically. So this is something that could be pointed out in the membership page, for example, which I think it's already pointed out, but maybe underline a bit more. So this is basically a